If your channel is not actually showing up on YouTube search, then this particular video is for you because I'm going to be showing you how to get your video show up in YouTube search. So I'm going to be using this video of mine for illustration. Let me take it closer so you guys can actually get to see it. Let me bring it a little bit closer. So you can see this is the analytics of this particular video. If you look down here on how viewers found this particular video, you will see YouTube recommendation, YouTube home, up next, other YouTube features, YouTube search. Our main focus on today's video is letting our video show on YouTube search. So if you want to confirm if YouTube is actually showing up your videos on YouTube search or not, click on any of your videos and then check how viewers found that particular video. If you're seeing YouTube search, just like it's showing here on mine, it means that YouTube is actually showing up your content and you don't need to do what I'm about to show you. But if you check and you can see that YouTube search is not listed among the ways to which viewers found your particular video, it means your video is not popping up on YouTube search. So if you now want to fix that, the very first thing for you to do is to come over. Let me take this. I'm trying to zoom it closer so you guys can actually see. So let me zoom it a little bit so you guys should just be patient with me, please. I'm trying to bring it closer. You see this setting, and by the way, guys, this is the YouTube desktop version. If you're thinking this is not the YouTube Studio mobile app, so you guys should not be going to your YouTube Studio mobile app. Head over to your YouTube desktop version. So you click on this part that says settings. This is the first thing for you to do. So once you click on settings, it's going to give you this particular interface. And once you get here, the next thing for you to do is to now click on this channel. So once you click on channel, make sure that the keywords you have right here are SEO keywords and they are related to your niche. Also do well to add channels names of viral people in your niche. Like as you can see here, when I started my this particular channel, you can see my channel name is not here, well and good. But I added names of channels that are actually doing things in my niche, or names of creators that are actually in my niche. You can see vidIQ, Chiamaka Okoli, Princess Chiamaka, Vibe with Sonia. These are actually creators in my niche that are doing well as when I started my YouTube channel. So go ahead and add them. It will help the algorithm understand your channel better, not just only putting SEO keywords like related to your niche, just like this one I did, make money online, YouTube optimization tips, all of this in the beginning. If you look at the first set of tags I have, they are tags related to my videos and my channel. But if you now look at the later part, I added names of relevant people in my niche. So once all of that is done, remember to click on save, because if you don't save, you have not done anything. So because I'm not actually changing or adding anything, the save button is not going to come up here for me. So I'll just close this right now. So once all of that is done, still click on that settings and then you come to this upload default. So on this upload defaults, just scroll down. You can see this part here, these tags. Initially, like I said, my channel was not showing on YouTube search. People were just like, it was just through other means that people were actually seeing, maybe external, you understand, but it was not showing, or maybe on YouTube homepage, but that YouTube search, it was not really showing there. So make sure that on the tags, you come right here to put your channel name. Enter your channel name. You can put other tags if you want, but make sure that your channel name. But for me, in my upload default, I'm not putting any other tags aside my channel name. So make sure you come right here to put your channel name. So once all of that is done, let's close this. Then you come to your, let me go back so that you guys can actually get to see. Let me go to the home page. Okay, yeah. So you can see, come to this customization part. Let me bring it closer. I think it's too far. So come to this customization part. Make sure that your description is precise about what your channel is about. You can see what my channel description is saying. Even if you want to add any other, maybe like your promotion, your channel details, make sure that the first paragraph of your description explicitly explains or is clear, precise, and actually optimized. Because if you read my own description right here, you can see it is clear. Anybody that comes to this description already know what my channel is about. And this is not just about viewers getting to see your description. This is about helping the algorithm, because all of this information is not just for people watching. It is you feeding the algorithm, especially if you're a new channel and the algorithm does not even know what your channel is about. But fixing all of this in your description, your about section, is going to help the algorithm understand what your channel is about. And if you are doing all of these things, I know some of you might be saying, okay, I have my tags already, I've done all of this thing that I have just listed out for you, and yet your channel is still not showing on YouTube search, this could be because your channel is still very much new. Like, you just started your YouTube channel, so that means your channel is very much new. And if your channel is very much new, the only way to which you can actually fix this right now for YouTube to show on YouTube search is to create an upload schedule. If you want to upload once a week, upload once a week and stick to it. If you want to upload on Monday, this is not just about you uploading. This is not just about your viewers. This is about you feeding the algorithm. This is about you letting the algorithm trust you. Because if the algorithm sees that this particular person is constantly uploading on Monday, for example, every week, and you are actually not feeling at it, every Monday you upload, the algorithm understands that, say, okay, every Monday I am expected to push out videos. That way you actually give the algorithm more information, sorry guys, about your video, and this will actually help the algorithm bring out your videos in YouTube search. And lastly, before I end this, I need you to come right here. Let me also zoom it closer. This channel customization part, let me zoom it. I'm trying my best. I don't want it to be blurry. So you see this home tab, click on it. Once you click on this home tab, make sure it is toggled on, because I have a particular channel that I actually did not look at this part. I was uploading videos and I was not getting views, and I was wondering what is going on. Not until I saw that this particular home tab was actually toggled off. This part here that is supposed to be toggled on, you can see right now mine is toggled on. Check and confirm if yours is actually toggled off. If it's toggled off, please toggle it on, because you actually need your videos to show on YouTube homepage. This is one of the things that will actually bring you out, and make people see your video more. So if you have learned anything, if you have found value, please do what to hit on the like button. Do what to subscribe if you're just coming to my channel, or if you are an OG but you have not subscribed, please do what to subscribe, guys. Do what to leave in the comment section what you are experiencing. Check, like, you guys should go ahead right now, go to your channel analytics, go to your video, click on any of your video, check the analytics, and check if you are actually seeing YouTube search. You are good to go. Let me know in the comment section if you are seeing YouTube search. And if you're not seeing YouTube search and you have not done all of this, please try and fix all of this, and then try and see what will actually happen to your channel, and see how YouTube search will now be among the way viewers found your video on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this point, see you again in our next video. Bye guys.